My name is Nina Skero and I'm the Chief Executive at the Center for Economics and Business Research. CBR expects 2020 to actually be a relatively decent year of GDP growth in the UK. We think that once the election uncertainty clears, and keeping in mind that it now seems more likely that there will be a reasonable Brexit solution, that there will be a bounce back in both consumer confidence as well as business investment. In terms of inflation, we think that over 2020 it'll roughly hover near the Bank of England's target. We think that higher services inflation will counteract lower inflation produced by utilities, and we also think that higher wages than we've seen in recent years will also contribute to higher inflation figures. On the labor market, we expect a softening both in terms of the unemployment rate and wage growth. However, this is a very mild softening, and compared to recent years, we're still expecting a fairly robust labor market. In terms of the bank rate, the consensus is certainly for no change in the interest rate over 2020. However, given that we are expecting decent GDP figures and there is a strong appetite to normalize monetary policy, which hasn't really been done in any real way post the financial crisis, we do think there's a possibility of one interest rate rise towards the middle of 2020. There are certainly many events that would impact our forecasts: the upcoming UK election, next year's US election, any important Brexit developments. But if I had to pick one true black swan event that perhaps isn't as likely to happen, I would say dismembering of the NATO organization, which might not be as crazy as it seems, given that there have been ample reports that it's something that the United States has already considered.